Hi guys, good afternoon. Arun Joyal here, and I again welcome you to my YouTube channel. Uh, I hope you guys are liking my videos, and thank you for all the love and support you have shown to my channel. It's been a great journey, and today is 1st of November 2025, and I hope you guys are enjoying. The festive season in India is over, and I hope you guys had a good run up in terms of your investment. So, as I said that I'll try to bring new topics every day. Today I'll discuss a basic topic, and that is the basis of mutual fund investment. That is, what is NAV, what are units in mutual funds. As we all know and we all have heard about that, we know that equity funds primarily invest in stocks, and but while an investor he gets units, he don't get those stocks. So actually, these units are the part of the portfolio the fund is investing in. Say if a fund is of 100 crore and it has 10 lakh units, then the NAV would be rupees 10. And as the fund's size grows, because the portfolio in which the stocks in which it has invested, its value grows, the NAV will grow. So that is the basic. Uh, that is the basis. You get units when you invest in mutual funds, and the price of these units is called NAV, that is net asset value. And this net asset value is dynamic, that depends on the portfolio, that depends on the market, the performance of the stocks that the particular fund is investing in, while the units are static. The units will only increase or decrease if you will buy more, if you will invest more amount. I hope that is clear to you. I'll say it again. The units are something that you buy. It's like per square yard of a plot that you own, and the NAV is the price of that property. So the NAV is dynamic. It depends on the performance of the portfolio, while units are static. The numbers will increase or decrease when you buy more, or you sell or you redeem your units. Now, what happens is that as your NAV grows, your return grows, and your uh, portfolio grows in your mutual fund. So, and while you do SIP, when you do SIP, you buy units per month, and as I told you that NAV is dynamic. Its price depends on the variables, the performance of the stocks. So, if the market is doing well, the NAV will increase, and you will get lower units in your next SIP. And if the market is not doing good, you will get more units as the NAV will be lower. So what SIP does is that it buys on a continuous interval set up by you, and when the and you will accumulate units, and you will become owner of those units till you don't sell them. So this is the basis of NAV and units. Now, one thing I want to say is that as an investor, your primarily focus should be on accumulating more and more units of a good fund. Because as I told you, as I give you the land analogy, uh, if you have more land, the price will eventually increase. The good fund will perform eventually. So what will happen is that your portfolio will grow. You should never focus upon about the NAV growth. It will come. It's a byproduct. It's a byproduct of the investment you have, of the scheme that you have selected. If you are focusing on increasing more and more units, that is, you are trying to buy them more. You are trying to buy them as aggressively as you can. Then you will, then your growth is set. then your retirement is taken care of. I can give you example of funds whose NAV has grown 100 times, even 400 times, like Aditya Birla Flexi Cap. Its NAV has grown around 18.5 times. So if somebody has been trying to accumulate more and more units, he would have become wealthier in the process. So as an investor, you should always focus on accumulating more and more units of a good fund indeed. Consult with a good advisor so that you can guide you with a good fund. You can invest on that, and with that, once you accumulate more units, you buy them when the market is down, and when you're getting things at discount, then eventually you are set up to become financially free. So to wrap it up, I will say NAV is dynamic. That depends on the performance of the portfolio. Units are something that you get when you invest in funds. You are the owner of those units, and your focus should be to buy more and more units, and that's it. And SIP helps you in buying those units at a regular interval set up by you, daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. The way you have set yourself to buy those to go for a SIP, they will buy units for you more and more, and you can do lump sum to buy more units. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions or queries, do feel free to ask me. I hope you're liking my videos, and I thank you very much. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye. Take care.